So I'm here in my ditch, actually it's not my ditch, my neighbor's ditch, with a racing lawnmower. I made it go way fast, 23 miles per hour. I painted this dash like I said I was going to. I painted it, it was supposed to be some color, but it ended up being black, which I didn't really care. I was leaning towards black, but I wasn't sure. And I stuck my nice loud exhaust on it. But this sucker gets now, so I'm going to put up this camera probably about right here, and then we're going to do a flyby. I'm going to fire it up, and I'm going to go down and circle around my neighbor's driveway, and I'm going to drive it back as fast as it'll go. Of course, let's not die and go all screwball, but let me fire it up and I'll drive it back. Well, what do y'all think? I know some like weird facial expressions going by. That's because just because. It's quick though. It's in high gear, 6. But hey, I think it's pretty darn cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-minute video or 4-minute video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Look forward to some, I don't know, whatevers.